am so sleepy. I'm going to share with you guys my winter shower routine, and I'm about to go to bed. So honestly, yeah. So I have something playing in the background, watching a YouTube video. I always have something playing in the background when I am doing any shower routine. We have to romanticize our lives. This shower routine is a little bit different because it only includes 2 items that will change your routine for the winter. So in the winter, the air is colder, so our skin is going to need more moisture. So this routine is all about moisture to prevent dry skin. So I'm putting my hair up because if I'm not wearing a shower cap, the best thing with my hair type is to put our hair up so water does not touch it. If anyone's watching, with my hair type or similar, we only wash our hair probably once every 2 weeks, but overall I just don't want my hair wet, so I'm just putting it in this hairstyle to prevent that. Okay, you guys, let me know, do you do anything different in the winter when it comes to showering? Because honestly, as I said earlier, there's only 2 different things. There might be a third, but you guys have to watch to the end on the differences that I do. Anyways, I go into the shower and I put it on steaming hot water because it's cold outside. I want to be warm. So the water is blazing hot. So I go in with my rag. This routine is very simple. I'm going in with only a rag today. And I'm going in with this soap. I am so mad. I don't like how no one talks about this on social media, but I'm going to. Olay is such a good quality brand. This is their Moisture Ultra Bar Soap. And I'm a bar soap girl. And when I tell you this has so much sud and moisture on the skin, you feel so good after using this. The Olay brand is that girl and people need to start speaking about it more, but I will. So I put some on my face because honestly, I wash my face in the shower. And yes, I use bar soap, guys. That's my little trick. Honestly, my face has been breaking out lately and I don't know. It might be the food. It might be the change in country because this happens to me every time I come back to Canada. I am soaping up my body. I'm just showing you guys the amount of sud from the bar soap, and I barely put as much that I usually would on my rag. And I'm just making sure I'm getting the back of my neck, underneath my neck, my chin, every single part. It's a really simple shower routine, and it's just the products in the winter that you just need to change. Like in the summer, I wouldn't use moisture as a part of my routine because in the summer, it's hot outside. You're getting a lot of moisture from the sun and the environment, right? So I wouldn't use such heavy products because you'll sweat a little bit more. So these products are okay to use in the winter because it's thicker and you won't sweat as much. Okay, so I'm taking out the soap out of the rag. What do you guys use? Rag, loofah, exfoliator, gloves, African sponge net. As you guys can see, make sure you are cleaning your ears, cleaning the back of your neck. I feel like a lot of people forget and neglect these places, but I'm here to remind you that's okay, and I'm here to help. So just ensure all places are clean. Sometimes when people look so clean, it's because they clean all parts of their body, like they clean their neck and their ears, and they just look fresh and clean. That's a little trick. In the winter, since we're covered up so much, it's easy for us to neglect proper skincare, and I hope this video will remind you to not do that because you're going to regret it once you start showing skin again in the summer. So I'm using the Caprina body wash. Oh my gosh, this is the Shea Butter. Again, it's all about moisture. This brand is so good and it's not talked about enough for my liking on social media. This is Shea Butter mixed with goat milk, and this smells so good. So as you see, I'm going in with mainly moisture-based products. Winter sucks out and we put back in through the products that we use. Feels good against the skin, and the bathroom smells good, and you smell good. And if you like this video, you give it a thumbs up, you subscribe, you share this video so it can be boosted on YouTube's algorithm. And I want to say thank you if you have made it this far in the video. Hey, comment down below what your favorite product or products you like to use during the winter. I want to see what you're using that I can possibly start using as well if I like it. So I'm just drying myself off with the rag. I just feel like there's more control with the rag when I am getting dry. So then we're going to go and proceed. Oh, also, when it comes to drying off, I try to do this before I come out of the tub. It's just based on what you guys like. So now we're going to go into the skincare, and I'm so sleepy. No, literally I was. So I am going in with the lotion. And usually I put lotion myself before putting on clothes, but we're doing a video, so I have to be respectful, obviously. So I'm going in with the Nivea Repair and Care 72-hour Deep Care Lotion. This is relief from dry skin. And this is what you guys want to have in the winter. Again, Nivea is that girl for brands. Olay and Nivea, I feel like aren't talked about enough on social media, and it needs to be, because these are actually good quality hygiene brands that people need to start going back to and using, and they're just good quality. When you buy them and you touch them, you're gonna be like, oh yeah, now I see the difference between the mainstream popularized brands compared to this. So this basically is going to make your skin look healthy and appear healthy. And you want to make sure your skin is moisturized in the winter, okay? You're adding in back that moisture. And I'm also going in with deodorant. This is the deodorant that I'm currently using right now. I like it. It's a powder form deodorant. It makes me feel comfortable and cozy. So that's why I'm sharing it with you guys. And honestly, I'm just going in with a body spray since I'm just going to bed. I'm not wearing perfume to bed, but I'll put on a light body spray. Here's a cool fun fact about me. I wear socks to bed in the winter. Is something that people find weird. But hey, at least you guys know a weird fun fact about me. I'm just wearing some old but clean socks and I'm wearing it to bed. Now, I usually do this in the shower as well, but I make sure that I do my oral hygiene prior to going to bed. So as you can see, I am brushing my teeth. When you brush your teeth after a shower, you feel 100% more cleaner. Whether you're going to bed or not, you're just going to just lounge around, brush your teeth. It's just the full package. Brush your teeth, do your hair, shower. You feel so much more cleaner and as if you can take on the world. But as you can see in this video, I'm going to sleep. And so I'm just making sure my mouth feels clean, and then when I wake up my breath won't smell as profound. Yeah, so then I always go in with cleaning my ears as well. As you can see, I clean the outside and the parts that you can see in the ear with the rag, but I clean the inside with a Q-tip, and I ensure that this is placed somewhere in my bathroom where it can be visibly seen at all times, so I can do it all the time. I clean my ears basically almost every day or every other day, and it feels good. So that's a quick tip. Your ears are important. When people are talking to you and looking at you, or if you get your hair done a lot, the hairdressers see in your ear. They see on the outside part, so clean them. And if you feel like you have acne in your ear, it's because of the oil buildup. So clean it with a rag while showering, or use use Q-tips for the inner parts, because the Q-tips can only do so much. They can't really clean the bigger parts of your ear. So as you can see, I'm just thinking about my life, and I'm showing you guys how much I broke out. It's so weird how all my pimples were in a weird cohesive line, but here we are. And then I'm going to just use a little bit of mouthwash, and this is the one that I'm using. I just want my breath to feel fresh. I have a full video on oral hygiene routine on my channel if you guys want to know how I keep my teeth so white. When I went to the dentist, the only concern they had was my gums. They were like, you need to stop using those hard brushes. And I was like, I love them though. And they're like, no, it's too bad on your gums. So honestly, my teeth were so healthy when I went. But that's it. And subscribe for more.